Magandang umaga at magandang gabi po sa mga nakakapanood sa gabi at sa lahat po ng naabot ng video nito. Welcome po dito sa Evio Avoid Mix Videos. Ngayon po ay isa na naman video mula dito kay Weapon of the World ang ating ipi-play sa inyo. At ito po ay tungkol sa anti-gravity na spy planes ng Amerika. Pag nakakita po kayo nito ay talagang aakalain yung UFO. Pero sige po, ito po ay hindi UFO. Kung gusto nyong makita ang isang ito, panoorin na lang po natin ang video na ito at sama-sama natin bigyan ng ating komento at reaction dyan sa comment box. Ito po ang video ni Weapon of the World.
This is one of the most intriguing and mysterious aircraft in modern aviation history, the TR-3B Black Manta.
So, ang tawag po sa kanya ay the TR-3B Black Manta. Ito po ay nag-exist pero dinedenay po ito sa US, no? Maaaring ito ang isa sa mga top secret nilang eroplano, no? Anti-gravity po ito, no? Hindi po to jet engine propulsion, no? Ang alam ko dito ay tinatawag na plasma, no? Tingnan po natin, no? Itong video na ito, panoorin natin.
The TR-3B, also known as the Astra, is an alleged top-secret triangular-shaped aircraft. Some people think that TR means tactical recon, so many speculate that the TR-3B is a mysterious reconnaissance aircraft. Many witnesses, from pilots, aviation enthusiasts, civilians, to UFO fans, have reported seeing this mysterious aircraft. And maybe you've seen it too, right? These mysterious aircraft come and go without a trace, glide easily through the sky without a sound, and of course, this is very confusing. It is rumored that the TR-3B is part of a black project. Its unconventional design and capabilities have sparked much speculation and debate among aviation enthusiasts and conspiracy theorists alike. The TR-3B is said to utilize a highly advanced propulsion system, using a combination of...
Grabe, no? Parang hindi mo lubusan maisip na may invent ito ng tao, no? Pero sinasabi at dinedenay pa rin ito hanggang sa kasalukuyan, no? Pero kung mababasa nyo yung comment dito sa video ni Weapon of the World, napakarami na pong sightings nito sa Amerika, no? Marami na pong nakakita nito at nagpapatunay dyan sa comment.
A combination of conventional jet engines and anti-gravity propulsion technology. This alleged anti-gravity propulsion is believed to allow the aircraft to operate silently and achieve incredible speed, maneuverability, and even hover in midair. The TR-3B...
Tama nga po, no? Kung hindi ka apektado ng isang gravitational force, mas mabilis kang makakakilos. Kaya incredible speed, ano?
The TR-3B is the most stealthy aircraft that can sneak into any airspace of any country without being detected. Another notable feature of the TR-3B is its ability to generate a distinctive triangular pattern of light in the night sky. Witnesses have described this pattern as a series of pulsating lights at each corner of the triangle, creating an eerie and mesmerizing display. Some believe that these lights are a side effect of the aircraft.
So pag nakakita po kayo niyan dito sa Pilipinas, meaning to say, ito po ay spy plane ng US, no? Huwag po kayong maniwala na ito ay alien na UFO na mula sa ibang planeta, no? Spy plane po ito ng US. Ang kasamaan lang, ito ay dinedenay pa ng US. Siyempre, kung ito ay top secret, super advanced technology, talagang normal lang na i-deny nila ito. Pero, napakarami na pong sightings nito, no?
Aircraft's advanced propulsion system. In contrast, Others speculate that they may serve as a form of optical camouflage, making the aircraft difficult to detect or track on radar. However, it's important to note that the existence of the TR-3B remains unconfirmed by any official sources. The lack of official acknowledgement has only added the mystic surrounding this aircraft. Some skeptics argue that the TR-3B is nothing more than a fictional invention of conspiracy theorists, while others believe that its existence is purposely kept hidden to protect its classified
Conspiracy theories.
But what exactly is an anti-gravity propulsion system? So I'm finding out from various sources about what is an anti-gravity propulsion system. At its core, it is a propulsion system that defies the traditional principles of physics by nullifying or counteracting the force of gravity. It promises to propel objects, such as spacecraft or vehicles, without the need for conventional propulsion methods like rockets or engines. One of the most promising theories behind anti-gravity propulsion is based on manipulating the fabric of space-time itself. By creating a localized gravitational field that cancels out the effects of Earth's gravity, we can create a weightless environment for the object being propelled. This can be achieved through various methods such as electromagnetic.
Kung tutusin, kung iisipin mo, no? Kumbaga kung ito kasi gravitational force yung lalabanan mo sa Earth. Pero kung magnetism yung ating pag-uusapan, meron niyang north and south, hindi ho ba? At pag hinati mo itong magnet na ito, hindi mo na ito mapagdidikit, no? Kasi mag-generate dito yung north and south. Or yung south to south, repel yan eh, no? Tinutulak nila yung each other. Yung north to north. Pero yung north to south, nagiging attract po yun, kaya nagdidikit. Yun yung principle ng magnetism, no? Ngayon dito, gravitational. No, alam naman natin, ang Earth ay tinatawag na universal magnet, na kahit ano po ay nafu-pull niya. Even tubig yan, wood, metal, o rock, kaya niya i-magnet. Tuloy natin.
Magnetic fields, superconductors, or even the utilization of exotic matter. The potential applications of anti-gravity propulsion systems are vast, from enabling faster and safer space travel to revolutionizing transportation here on Earth. So anti-gravity propulsion systems offer a tantalizing glimpse into a future where the skies are no longer the limit. With ongoing research and advancements in technology, we may one day unlock the secret of anti-gravity and embark on incredible journeys across the cosmos and here on Earth.
Alam niyo po kung totoong na-unlock ng Amerika ang tungkol dito sa anti-gravity, tagilid yung mga bansa sa kanila, no? Sa lalo itong China, nalalaban sa Amerika, no? Kung totoo itong tinatawag nilang Black Manta na ito na TR-3B, tagilid talaga. At kung lalagyan pa nila ito ng weapon, no, sa ngayon siguro parang ginagamit nila as spy, no? Pero deniable pa rin, no? Hindi daw totoo. Pero napakarami namang sightings nito, no, na nagpapatunay na merong nito, no, yung triangular shape na ito.
However, this concept is frequently explored in science fiction, Still, modern science and engineering have not yet realized or proven it possible. To date, no experimental evidence or practical demonstration of anti-gravity propulsion exists. While there is ongoing research into related fields such as gravitational wave detection and quantum gravity, mainstream science has not validated any claims of practical anti-gravity technology. Some experiments and claims, like those associated with UFO sightings, occasionally surface, but they lack rigorous scientific validation.
So, sinasabi nila yung prototype na to hindi pa nag-exist kasi parang beyond the principle ng physics yung tungkol dito sa anti-gravity, no? Pero may mga nag-aaral pa rin tungkol dito. At kung na-reveal na nila yung secret ng technology ng anti-gravity kasi meron nang nakikita walang kwenta itong mga tinatawag na 6th generation jet fighter kung ikukumpara dito dahil napakatulin nito, no? Anti-gravity nga. Ang tanong kung makakasakay ba yung tao kung sa napakatulin na isang kagaya ng isang bagay na ito, no? Yung TR-3B Black Manta na ito.
So anti-gravity propulsion remains a speculative concept rooted in theoretical physics and science fiction. To date, there have been no practical implementations or experimental confirmations.
Yun nga yung sinasabi nila, today wala pang mga ganyan na experimental. Pero ano po yung nakikita nila na parehas, halos yung mga nakakita, isa yung sinasabi nila, triangular shape na may 3 ilaw kada sulok at meron sa gitna. Halos iisa yung kanilang sinasabi. Tumutugma doon sa nasa video, no?
Back to the TR-3B. The TR-3B Black Manta is a fascinating aircraft that continues to captivate the imagination of aviation enthusiasts and conspiracy theorists alike. Whether it's a highly advanced military aircraft or merely a product of wild speculation, the TR-3B reminds us of the enduring allure of the secret technology and clandestine operation in the world of aviation. But until official confirmation or further evidence emerges, the TR-3B's true nature and capabilities will remain shrouded in secrecy.
Yun nga po, no? Napaka top secret nitong tungkol dito sa TR-3B. Pero bakit meron tinatawag na pangalan na TR-3B? So meron yan kasi may model may tinatawag sila na TR-3B Black Manta. Meron yan. Pero ang sinasabi siguro nila, hindi pa ito na isasagawa o plano pa lang. Pero ayaw nila maglabas ng ulat tungkol dito at napakasabi nila secrecy. Napakasikretong bagay ito na meron namang nakakakita sa makatuwid, may breakthrough na tungkol dito. Ayaw lang ilabas, no? At sa ngayon na isa siyang spy plane pa rin o tinatawag na mas maganda para sa kanila siguro tawagin UFO, no? Yung malin lang nila yung mga tao na ito ay UFO para kasi pag sinabi mo nakakita ako ng UFO doon, di na masyadong big deal na para imbestigahan pa, UFO pala yan, Pero kung ito po kasi ay ma-reveal na totoo talaga, malaking to sa Amerika, no? Na ibig sabihin na bulgar na yung sikreto nila at anytime pwede nang pag-aralan ng iba o gayahin. Sana ay nakakuha tayo ng konting tip dito, no? Na kung meron tayong makitang ganyan, wag natin akalain na ito ay galing sa ibang mundo. Alam naman natin kung Kristiyano ka, dapat naniniwala ka na wala nang ibang nilalang ang Diyos. Kung hindi, ito lang dito lang sa daigdig, no? 0% wala pa silang nakikitang may buhay sa ibang planeta. O kahit lang dito sa loob ng solar system natin. Malaki na ito kumbaga. Pero wala pa silang nadidiscover. Kung meron man siguro nakikitang mga UFO, ito po yung mga spirit na nagpapanggap. No, alam mo naman ang spirit, pwede siya magpanggap na isang material o lumilipad na alinman dyan na out of physics, no? Labag sa law ng physics na bigla-bigla na lang naglalaho o umaandar ng napakatulin, no? Spirit po, pwedeng gawin yan at dayain ang ating mga mata. Pero isang ito, yung TR3B, may nakikita po sila nito na lumilipad, di naman sinasabi nila na napakatulin, pero triangular shapes. At yung lipad niya ay parang hindi apektado ng gravity. Ibig sabihin, pumapaling-paling kung saan niya gusto. Na parang lumulutang-lutang lang sa ere. Kung ito ay spy, malalaman natin yan sa mga susunod pang taon. Kung ito ay ilabas na at depende, no, kung ilalabas ba talaga siya. O sa tamang panahon, o gera. So, hindi natin alam. So, abang-abang lang po tayo at hope so nakapaka-interested po nitong TR3B Black Manta na ito. Hanggang sa muli po, ito po ang Avoy Mix Videos.